Hi, this is Tim from MagTorch. Today I want to talk about our outdoor torch. This is a trigger start torch, propane compatible, on-off valve. It's got our ultra-wide brush flame. This torch is ideal for burning brush, starting fires. It's a great way to get rid of weeds without using pesticides. To operate the torch, turn on the on-off valve until you hear gas flowing. Push the trigger start, the flame comes on. A little bit hard to see the flame right now because it's a bright sunny day, but it's there, you can hear it. So, for example, the weed here, get rid of the weed. You don't have to burn the entire weed away, you just have to get it right at the roots. Turn the torch off, turn the valve closed. There you go. For more information, please visit us at magtorch.com.